Hello everybody, good morning, it's me NJ and welcome to my channel NJ Vibes. Yep, it's early in the morning today, it's 4:30 a.m. in the morning. Today, me and my friends here, Rahul, Oli Molly and Dhruvo. So today we are going to Dima Hasao, Umrangso. Umrangso Lake, na? Yeah, Umrangso Falcon Festival. Yeah, right now we are already on the highway. Right now we are going to Dima Hasao. 2 cars here. Woo! And it's our car. Now just let's hit the road. Yeah, it's about 430 kilometers. We started our journey at morning 4 a.m. Nah? Yeah, 4 a.m. No. Okay, let's go. So we stopped here in Highway Dhaba near Nongpo to have breakfast because we didn't have breakfast while coming. This is we are having aloo paratha. Kantal. How's the taste, brother? A1. And with ये क्या है? Curd. Curd. दही. Hey, चोर. We have done already breakfast. Yeah. Now we are heading back to some fruits. Fruits also, banana here. Sandwich, Red Bull. Now straight to direct Umrangso. Let's go. So we have finally reached Umrangso. Wow, look at this water. The dam, so blue. Yeah, after 10 hours. Oh my god. Blue Lagoon. Oof, oh my god, we are having extreme off-road. Climbing uphill with my friends who Wagoner. Look the road. It's so broken road. Oh, extreme off-road, man. Bikers are also visiting here. VIP entry. Pesa. So finally we have reached Umrangso. Yeah, this is our campsite. These are our cars. It's already dark. It's like कितना बज गया यार? 5:53. It's already 5:53. Yeah, and we are reached our campsite. गाड़ी को अंदर रखो. Yeah, we have reached the campsite. There are a lot of people camping over here. It's too dark, cannot show properly. Tomorrow morning I'll show you guys how the view is from here. Okay. So now we have already reached. It's already dark. It's like 7:30 now, and we are preparing for our dinner. Got already some onions and chilies, and here boiled chicken. We're gonna cook boiled chicken.
Who's gonna cook the boiled chicken?
I am me myself, NJ. And after eating, we are gonna enjoy the Falcon Festival because today's guest is Jubin Nautiyal. He's gonna come. We're gonna rock with him on the stage after we have our dinner. Yep. So yeah, see you soon.
एनजे भाई टमाटर काटते हुए ये देखो मास्टर सेवा बोटलेन देखो कहीं प्लेट मत काट देना भाई उसका टुकड़ा हाँ
So here the crackers are already starting, firecrackers. I think Jubin Nautiyal is already on the stage. We are kind of late, so we are right now going to his show. Let's go!
where?
So here we are in the gate entering for Jubin Nautiyal show. Let's go. Wait. Excuse me. Excuse me. Here we are here now. Just came inside the venue. Enjoying Jubin Nautiyal's concert right now. Yeah, it's fun.
This is our tent. This is where we slept last night. Sleep very late at 3 o'clock. Now it's already 7:10. Let me show you the view now. Last night yesterday I couldn't show you because it was already dark. Oh, damn. Ooh. This is our friend's tent, and these are some other people. And this is the lake, Umrangso lake. And there's a helicopter there. Right now I am near this lake to wash my face to get fresh. Yep, there's a lot of people already swimming. Some people swimming here. So these are the tents. There's a toilet over there. This is the place where we camped last night. Really nice place to set up a tent for camping. Yeah. And with us, our brother, Mr. Nomadic.
Hello.
He's hitchhiking. He came to meet us.
Hey.
Assam. Mudo kya? Go and wash your face.
Yeah, I already washed
Bro,
my
you're smelling like fart.
because I'm not bathing from since 2 days.
2 days. Dirty. Now maybe we'll just drive around in this place to see this location. This means to see this Umrangso golf course. Yep, just drive around now. Me and English. So here now we came to see the helicopter. English maker wants to get in the helicopter, but it's too pricey, so he is having a second thought. Bro, go and climb, don't worry. Go and get on this helicopter. Or content banao. Wow, what a really awesome, beautiful scenery, man. This Umrangso lake. The place is really, really beautiful. You should come visit this place in Assam. Come visit here and enjoy the nature, beauty. Now I'm gonna show you guys drone shot from Rahul. I'll take Rahul from Rahul. Wow, it look more HD, bro.
Yeah,
more HD quality.
Because sunglasses to be expensive, man. It's 7,000.
Ravon.
Yeah,
Ravon.
Ravon.
Okay, Ravon. Driving in the main venue place. This is the place where concert happened last night. Tonight also gonna happen. So here with local train. So yes.
This
This
is
artists that didn't arrive. Artists arrived maybe na.
Yeah.
Okay, so at night this place is gonna be again fill up.
Yeah.
Fill up now, bro, with thousands and thousands of people.
Yeah.
10 to 20,000.
Yeah. Yesterday it's maybe 20,000.
So this side also.
This is the
This is the venue.
yeah.
Tonight again we are gonna enjoy the concert. Nah, bro.
Yes, bro.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
It's out.
So now we are making scrambled egg for lunch. Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
With tomato.
Hey, how many?
Hey everybody, it's evening time again and it's time to enjoy the show, enjoy the concert. Woo. Yeah. So last night slept very late due to we were like in the function, in the concert till up to 2:30, and then came back to our campsite like in 3, and we slept at like past 3. So we still couldn't sleep properly. So now we are getting ready to pack, and we'll be heading back to our place. Yeah, see you in a while. I'll be packing my tent. So we have packed up now everything. It's already 9, yeah, and we are now getting ready, packing to go head back home. Last night enjoyed the show concert too much. It was so awesome. Like up to 3 o'clock we were partying, enjoying. So now still hangover. We just woke up and packed our things. Didn't eat anything, no breakfast. So maybe we're gonna have breakfast on the road. Didn't even wash our face properly. Didn't even got to get fresh. So yeah, let's head back now. We are on the way our home. रुक गया ना bro? तो जो कहाँ है अभी हम? Zaway.
Zaway में हाँ.
Oh, stop in Zaway to have lunch. This lunch time. This is one of our spots. Riders Brothers Hotel, Bazai Dhaba, in East Zantia Hills. Bazai Dhaba is the owner. Okay. So now we gonna have lunch now. So finally, after 2 days, we are having a good lunch. Good lunch or good food. Yesterday also we didn't eat any food. Only some. But we only had other things.
What thing, bro?
Like energy drinks. Yeah. And that's it. So yeah, now we are have some good lunch finally after 2 days. Yeah, in Bazai Dhaba.
It's a lunch and dinner also.
Lunch and dinner, everything. Breakfast also.
Restaurant in Meghalaya.
So hi everybody.
Huh?
Now we had our lunch. After 2 days, had very good lunch with pork, and now we are inside our car. We have 2 cars. The other car is behind. They are in front of us, and we. So right now, we are in Zaway, Zantia Hills.
Zantia Hills.
We are in East Zantia Hills in Zaway right now. From Zaway, we'll go straight to our home now, to our town, business town, Chirang. Everybody here, Rahul, English maker, big brothers, and our friend. So yeah, we had really fun 2 days in Umrangso and Falcon Festival. It was really awesome. We had so much fun that sometimes I forgot to make some videos, vlog properly. So this much. So I hope you guys like it. So this much for today. Thank you for watching my video. See you in another. Bye bye. Peace. Now let's go home.